If you're looking for a dream home, look no further than this custom Hillcrest floor plan. Loaded with design and architectural upgrades, this 3,788 square foot home has high soaring ceilings, custom hardwood flooring, and a wide open floor plan. This dream home comes complete with 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, a Texas-sized front door, and our signature fireplace. You'll love the large living and dining areas loaded throughout this home. And as you can see, the spacious family room opens right into the designer kitchen. The kitchen includes granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, designer fixtures, custom cabinets, a walk-in butler's pantry, and a large chef's island. The owner's suite includes a spacious master bedroom with private sitting area and a huge walk-in closet. The master bath, designed with relaxation in mind, includes dual vanities with custom tile and fixtures, a deep garden tub, and a separate standalone oversized shower. Upstairs, you'll find 4 spacious private bedrooms and adjacent bathrooms. First Texas Homes offers a variety of different floor plans. We can build you this floor plan or any of our others in almost every First Texas community.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.